Singapore has got two seasons, hot and wet. To most riders, being waterproof is very important.
Today we're gonna find out if spending more money on waterproof shoes means more waterproofability.
Huh?
Welcome to this episode of
To the Test.
2024 will be the third year that we have been creating content with DirectAsia. And thanks to that, we are proud of the 333 community that has been formed and growing day by day. We love hearing you tell us about your thoughts and experiences from To The Test and seeing you explore places from bikers and bikes.
It's amazing to see our community enjoying the content, and even more so to witness more people explore freedom on two wheels because of it. We create content because we believe the freedom afforded by two wheels needs to be shared. And every single rider embodies this every time they swing their leg over and start their engines.
It is this shared belief that enables us to run the Two-Wheel Freedom campaign with DirectAsia, to meet fellow riders who share our interests, to keep creating content that you love. If you'd like to help support your community directly, consider DirectAsia as your insurance of choice.
Experience two-wheel freedom with DirectAsia. Use promo code VERYOK30 at checkout for a $30 eCapital voucher or VERYOK60 for a $60 eCapital voucher. Head on down to directasia.com/333 for more information. Thank you to DirectAsia for making this video possible.
Amos,
Yes?
can you help me fill the pill, please?
Can.
Thank you.
Feel pale.
So we got our trusty little water sprayer, the Hi-Jet one we used to test the top boxes. So what we're going to do is to use that spray. We're not going to go close because then it would be unfair, right? We're going to use the spray. We're going to try to simulate pressures that your shoes will see while you ride. Every rider knows that the water coming off your front wheel goes onto your shoe, and that's how most of the time it gets wet if it's not waterproof. If it's waterproof, it goes in from the top, down, hits your socks, and then go down. Then that one, no choice. Bro,
You see the evil thoughts in my
Yes, I
eyes.
can see it, bro. So I am using the Climb Gore-Tex GTX boot, which has Gore-Tex. So, hoi! So we should... Oh, I'm actually quite scared behind it. So I should be waterproof as long as Amos doesn't hit above the ankles. I'm scared, bro.
Trust me, bro.
No, I don't. That's the idea. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I feel a bit cold, but I think I am dry. Ding. Dry.
Dry, ah?
Yes.
Touch his foot.
Bro, I touch your foot.
No.
For the test, bro. Hey, dry, eh?
Dry.
Good.
Oh, it's all dry. All dry inside. All dry. All
I'm not
dry.
gonna put my hand inside.
Now I understand the intrusive
I'm
thoughts.
beating fast.
Really? Hey, wait. What boots are you wearing?
I'm wearing the Falco Rooster boots.
Rooster.
Waterproof also.
Okay.
Oh, can fight with your climb one, don't worry.
I'm not touching his sock. What are you doing?
Feeling for water lah.
You know when rider, right, you kena water, then you wiggle your toes, then you're like, walao, I got so many generations of guppies in my boots.
Hey, got water going already.
Is it?
Touch his foot.
Touch my toe, bro. I think it's wet.
Is it wet?
Yes, yeah. Yeah, so it's wet there. Can see it's wet.
Standing on one foot. Even though this boot is supposed to be waterproof, there's a bit of water inside and it's probably due to wear and tear cause... Wait, who's been wearing this shoe? Jake, you said you had something for me in case water goes in? Wow, Oxford Rainseal.
What, bro? You waterproofing me also, sia, bro?
Waterproofing myself also. So what you're supposed to do is to spray an even coat around the shoe, and then after that, use something like a sponge to spread all the liquid out evenly. And then you're supposed to let it dry not under direct sunlight for 30 minutes to 1 hour.
I mean, you think about it, most riding shoes, and this is what I just realized. You see how there's a lip here, right? This is a lip that would catch water. I was wondering why, at least the boots I'm wearing didn't have that. Then I realized the lip is facing the other way. But we'll see. I'm actually very curious. Skeptical, but curious. So, we gave the shoes time to dry. We put the whole waterproofing thing. We went for lunch. We are back. What? How long did we take? 2 hours? About 2 hours, Give it a bit of chance. Now, we try again. 3, 2, 1.
Moment of truth. Hey, it works. Dry. Will this work for gloves?
I have waterproof gloves, just like how I have waterproof shoes. But I don't like wearing raincoat.
Your wash waterproof, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Do you feel any water inside? Really?
You take out already, you put your hand on the wall.
This is with spray or without no spray on, right?
No.
This is just waterproof gloves, right?
Yes.
These gloves are not waterproof at all, but I'm very excited to find out if the water repellent, right, can make these waterproof or not.
You sprayed already?
Spray already. They are all on already.
3, 2, 1. No way.
No lah, it's wet. Wet.
I still can see the water.
我被照.
I still can see the water dripping.
Can we try again on this one?
Sure. 3, 2, 1. Sorry. Not too bad, Not too
too
shabby.
bad.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
Eh, not too bad.
Huh?
That means if you spray this on like any fabric, right, then can be waterproof.
Yeah.
I got idea.
If this works, I tell you,
What you
game changer. Go take the spray me. You see whether my underwear wet.
Huh? What? You spray your
I'm very scared now.
you spray your underwear? Four, 3, 2, 1. Drum roll. Surprise!
This is very 恶心, but the tissue quite dry.
Wait, really?
Huh?
Really dry?
Little bit wet only. It dries,
I don't want to see.
Got one more. Dry. What the hell? Dry.
Really?
Can use, You touch.
No. Oh my god. It's really dry,
It's dry.
But please, don't try this at home. This one is for testing only. Don't try this at home.
I think tonight you itchy here, itchy there. How?
I now very stressed.
Chemical burns, bro. Are you still wearing the underwear?
No.
You shouldn't.
Should I be wearing?
No.
Bro, can you close your legs, please?
Wow. Oh my god. I can't believe his underwear actually remained dry.
I also cannot believe, but that just shows that the Rainseal actually works.
Surprising.
Some dry underwear, good. But anyway, we've applied these on the shoes just now and also on the gloves. For the waterproof gloves, right, and the fabric gloves, right, I think there's a bit no point lah.
But for me, I like the idea that it's waterproof, but if it starts to degrade, I have that option to just put it in the whole maintenance regime, like how you maintain your bike, you maintain your gear. I mean, you imagine you buy a jacket that's $1,000 that was waterproof and then now not waterproof anymore. Then like, you don't want to throw that $1,000. You just use this and waterproof again lah.
It's a good idea lah, but for me, usually there are a few cons when it comes to waterproof gears.
Which is why I don't like wearing raincoats.
That's why I wanted to try this and see if it works on your normal gloves or not.
If you'd like to get yourself one of these t-shirts, head on down to 333.com. We ship internationally. With that, I'm Mark.
I'm Amos.
And see you on the road.